Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Today we're looking at 3.2 systems of equations using the substitution method. So let's jump into it. I'm going to give you two equations and we're looking for the lonely letter. So this is 2x, 2y, 2x, and this y by itself right here, that's the lonely letter. So let's solve for it. We're going to subtract 2x on both sides. So y equals negative 2x plus 10. Okay. Now that we solved for one letter, we can take this negative 2x plus 10 and substitute it in for y in the other equation. Sometimes you might be solving for x, sometimes you might be solving for y. My little trick is solve for the lonely letter, whichever one's lonely. So we're going to rewrite this equation here. 2x plus 2, but instead of y, we're going to take what y equals. Equals to. So this right here, this was y, but then we put this in for y. All right, once we're here, we're going to solve like usual. 2 times negative 2x. Negative 4x, 2 times 10, 20. Bring down the 2x, bring down the 2. After we distribute, we're going to combine like terms. Negative 2x plus 20 equals 2. Once you're here, this is a two-step equation. You could circle the variable that you want, drop a line. We're going to minus 20 on both sides. Negative 2x equals negative 18, divided by negative 2. So, x equals 9. All right? After you get x equals 9, you are going to use the equation that you didn't substitute in for. So now we're going to use this equation. We're going to rewrite that. 2x plus y equals 10. And we're going to take this x equals 9 and substitute that in for x. 2 times 9 plus y equals 10. 18 plus y equals 10. Let's solve for y. So y equals negative 8. All right, now this is what we want. We want to get an x, we want to get a y. So we're going to have one solution, and our point is 9 comma negative 8. This is your solution right there. Because remember, it's always x comma y. Now just real quick, you have two equations. You look for the lonely letter. You solve for the lonely letter. You take whatever you get for the lonely letter and you substitute it back in. We distribute. We combine. We solve a two-step equation. We get one of the letters. Then you take that letter that you got and you plug it into the other equation and you solve for the variable you need. You get x comma y. That's your point. This is a fully completed substitution method question. Hope this helps.